What animals are often misidentified as cryptids? Have you ever heard a story about a mysterious creature seen in the woods or the ocean, only to find out it was a real animal all along? Sometimes, animals we know well are mistaken for legendary monsters or cryptids. These mix-ups happen because the animals have unusual features, behaviors, or live in remote areas that make them seem otherworldly. Let's take a closer look at some animals that often get mistaken for cryptids and why that happens. First, the giant squid has long been thought of as a mythical sea monster. Sailors told tales of a huge, tentacled beast attacking ships, which inspired stories about the kraken. For centuries, no one had seen a live giant squid, so it became part of maritime legend. It was only in the early 21st century that scientists finally photographed live specimens, confirming they are real animals. Still, their rarity and enormous size keep their legend alive. Next, manatees have often been mistaken for mermaids. Sailors would see their slow, graceful movements and large eyes, which resemble human features. When seen from a distance or in poor light, these gentle marine mammals could easily be mistaken for mythical sirens. This confusion helped fuel mermaid stories for hundreds of years, blending natural biology with folklore. The oarfish is another example. This long, ribbon-like fish lives deep in the ocean and is rarely seen near the surface. When it does appear, its strange shape and size, sometimes over 10 feet long, have led to tales of sea serpents. These rare sightings often sparked stories of enormous, mysterious creatures lurking in the depths. Mountain gorillas are a fascinating case. Before scientists confirmed their existence, large ape-like creatures resembling Bigfoot or Sasquatch were part of local legends. Once explorers studied and documented these animals, it became clear that such cryptids were actually real animals that had been hiding from humans for a long time. Komodo dragons are the largest lizard species and can grow over 10 feet long. In the past, their fierce appearance and size led some to think they were mythical dragons. When scientists discovered them in Indonesia, it showed how real animals can inspire stories of legendary beasts. The Corsican wildcat is a shy feline from the Mediterranean island of Corsica. Its elusive nature and mysterious sightings caused local stories of strange, supernatural cats. Only in recent decades did scientists confirm its existence, proving it was a real animal mistaken for something supernatural. Large owls like the Eurasian eagle owl have wingspans over 6 feet and striking features. Their eerie calls and nocturnal habits have sometimes led to monster sightings or stories of winged creatures. These birds, impressive size and sounds, can easily be misinterpreted as cryptids. The bondajezu is a tree-dwelling marsupial from Papua New Guinea. Its human-like face and bipedal movement once made people think it was an ancestral spirit or cryptid. Later, scientists identified it as a real animal, showing how natural creatures can inspire supernatural stories. Finally, many sightings of the chupacabra are actually wild canines suffering from mange. Their altered appearance, with patches of hair loss and strange teeth, makes them look otherworldly. These animals are often mistaken for the legendary creature said to drain blood from livestock. Understanding these animals helps us see how natural features and rare sightings can create stories of mysterious creatures. Cryptozoologists analyze such evidence to decide if a creature is a misunderstood animal or something beyond what science currently recognizes. Recognizing these misidentifications helps focus investigations and separates folklore from biological reality. It also shows how natural phenomena can spark supernatural beliefs, adding to our cultural stories about the mysterious and the unknown.